Nigga. Nigga. Yo, what up, gang? So, look, gang. People. I really just been twisting these up by myself because look, whenever it started again, I wonder if that look bad. Like, cause like me, I be thinking about cutting it, but I'm like, fuck it. I mean, nah, nigga, it's like I need a retwist. Real retwist. Niggas talking about like, it's like a dread video, a hair video and shit. And I'm like, bro, I got link, you know what I'm saying? But it like, y'all see how it is though. Y'all see how it is though. You know what I'm saying? Still watch this junk though, so it might look subpar. But I like it when it's up and high though. I like it. I lucky like it whenever it's up and high. But like this is cool too. It just be certain parts where I just be like, what the fuck? But then I'd be like, these freeforms. But at the same time, these are dreads. This right here was an accident. It shouldn't have happened. Honest. I'm like, nigga, this is my hair. You know what I'm saying? Like, and other times I'll be like, what do I be like? Nigga, you know what I'm saying? I'll be like, I don't know what I'd be like, bro. I'll be just wearing that shit, bro. I just have that shit, bro. This shit just on my head, bro. Like, real spirit. Do I be thinking about cutting it? Oh, yeah. But I'll be like, what I see is, with my hair, I could take many different routes with my shit. You know what I'm saying? I have dreads. I could just have an afro, bro. I could have a motherfucking afro. But I was like, and then it was like, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? This is not the only thing that my hair can do, bro. I could get waves, bro. I could get waves. I could just have curls, bro. And they're not gonna be dreads. They're gonna be curls. You know what I'm saying? You don't get it, nigga. You don't get it. It's a choice. It's a choice. I was like, fuck it, freeforms, bang. Nigga, this when I was younger. Like, nigga, y'all seen how my hair was? Now I just twisted it and everything like that. And I just kept it like that. Blinkerton City? What the hell was that? That nigga, hell, they say that nigga crazy. That nigga got your mama and she finna have his baby. Ha 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 ha. I know why they hate me, cause I drive them niggas crazy. Well, what's good with it? What's cracking? Look, I really don't bust out with this look a lot. I ain't gonna lie, I don't bust out with this look a lot. Oh my gosh, this made me think, I'm not even finna say it, cause I know somebody else gonna say it, bro. But today I'm finna schmeat these some pops. I'm finna continue washing my shits out. I ain't gonna lie to you. Hey, what did we say? I'm watching my soaps. Nigga, I'm watching my soaps. You talking about. I can crack y'all video after I get done watching what I want to watch. You know what I'm saying? Like, niggas don't be telling me what they be wanting to see. So I'll be like, alright, bet. I'm finna just do whatever I want to do, bruh. Cause if I do whatever, nigga, pause it. Press it. Ah, wait. You messing up the directions for real. Cause why would you pause it, nigga? You gotta hear everything I gotta say. So hey, this like Simon says. You just gotta know which directions to know to follow and not follow, bruh. So as I was saying, it's like I slow it down for you. Or you were getting anxious. What I finna say again? Who name it say up there, bro? It's me, bro. It's me. Like, this my stuff, bro. What you talking about, bro? Since y'all wanna do, like, y'all put me into this, bro. Like, I thought I was gonna be a 40 people type of nigga. I'm not a 40 people type of nigga no more. like, bro, I'm just providing y'all videos, bro. Tune in, you tune in, nigga. Hey. I'ma still share it though, like, click it. Like and subscribe, my nigga, like. There you go. Freak you, freakers. Press that subscribe button. Press that like button. Press that bell. Like, come on, bro. You don't want to be tapped in with me, bro. I thought it was like this. Come on, bro. I thought it was like this. Tap. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Oh, yeah. Of course, I had to put a little thing in there, too. Yeah. Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. I had to put... Because it's just fire, ain't it? He said... I mean... That nigga just like me, bro. That nigga just like me. Bro, you know how hard it is to open the bag that's inside the box whenever you... Like, to open the bag that's inside the box. Yep. This, that, yeah. But like just with your hands, you gotta be a real nigga to do with your hands. And that's because I want to talk to y'all for real. Like, am I not a real nigga? Come on. Am I not a real nigga, y'all? Y'all let me know in the comments if I'm a real nigga or not. Hey, look. Spoiler alert. I'm as real as you get, nigga. I'm as real as you get, nigga. You feel me? You feel me? Young nigga eating yachts. Ooh. Nigga, it's like I'm in a commercial, bro. What they want me to make a rap for? Look, I got pops. That's what I eat in the house. That's why I eat in the house. With the yellow. Yeah, they good for a fellow. Yeah. They say you want some pops, you gotta have my pops. I said, yeah, bro. Where your pops at? You ain't eating my cereal, man. What you got in your bowl? Cookies? Nah, y'all still eating rookies. Hold on. What you got in your bowl? What you got in your bowl? I got pops and I'm out of control. Whoa. See, bro? This what happen when y'all let me do do what I want to do, bro. Y'all done messed up. Y'all did this. Not me. Look. No, I'm playing. Niggas don't know. I can act on my lips chat, or is this the thing? Tell me in the comments. Tell me in the comments. Okay, but like, how was y'all day? Like, I don't know what time it is, but just assume it's the morning. Bro, I be waking up early, I ain't gonna lie. But like, for real, bro. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Get it? Like, it's the morning. I'm eating cereal. You feel? You know what I'm saying? Why doesn't it make sense? I'm just looking at the cereal. Don't think I'm doing anything stupid. Hey, bro. I wouldn't test you. I wouldn't eat. You're scary. Huh? You? Loki? I'm finna hit my phone hard and jump. Like, bruh. This ain't no TikTok. I ain't no TikToker, bro. Like, this is my phone, bro. I ain't got no cracks in it right now. we gonna keep it like that. I make it happen. I make it happen. Yes, I make it happen. Get back to the rapping. Niggas always talking. And niggas always capping. Your girlfriend a diva. I'm a winner keeper. Wooba wooba weeba. Actually, I might. Cause I think I need her. No, wait, I want her. I will not cuff her. Like a bird, I'm a ducker. Wet that booty. Booty wooly looby. Scooby dooba looba. Dooba dooby deeby. Dabba dabba dabba. What am I talking? What am I saying? Wait, am I playing? Wait, where I'm going? Alright. Hey, Palio, what are you doing? If I could flip this camera, I would. Look at this. Whose show is it? It's my show. She's like about dummy. Basically. Imagine this is like episodes of my life. Bruh. That's basically what this is, bruh. Nigga, it's episodes of my life, bruh. So I'm gonna try to find a way to like construct it in a good crucial. Bruh, that's so fire. If I think about it like that, I'll continuously do it. Alright, I'm gonna get back to y'all later. And then look.